I'm still not sure if buying this crash damaged Audi Q3 was actually a smart idea. Let me explain. This is 2022 Audi Q3 Sportback. That means it's near impossible to find parts. If you remember from the previous video, these doors we managed to replace with these two. And the best part about it, we actually got them in the same color. But that's about it. For this project to actually be successful and kind of profitable, we have to find the cheapest yet the best parts. And currently we can only find them from Audi. Being a dealer, they're super expensive. Over the past couple of months, we have been trying to contact every single dealer in Australia. However, every single answer was the same. Sorry, we don't have it. After all these endless messages, I was not sure if I will ever find any parts to actually finish this build. That's until now. We actually managed to get a couple of parts from wreckers. Fender, guard liner, lower control arm and seatbelts. Of course, seatbelts we got them from Audi, had to pay the full price, and I'll tell you how much it was in the end. We'll start off by replacing this lower control arm, because it's not really straight. Luckily, we just got ourselves brand new second-hand part. See how these screws are fine, but this one is severely bent? Let's see if I can hammer it out and actually get it off. I've just realized white shirt wasn't the smartest idea at all. Yes. We got it. This is how control arm should look like. This is ours. See the difference? Putting control arm back in was way harder than taking it out, as I had to compress the spring, making sure that control arm fits where it's supposed to fit. This is why I got all hands on deck. Thanks guys. Alright, just finished with the control arm. Took us a little bit, but we got there. Well, that was a mission. Control arm installing is actually a simple job, but it took me so long. Now, let's move on to seatbelts. To start replacing the seatbelts, let's take out the seat. Just so we would have more space to work. As the seatbelts are part of SRS system, they lock out if airbags get deployed during a crash. That's the reason we have to change them. Guess what? The bumper has arrived. Rather than installing the standard bumper, you know what? Let's upgrade. As this is aftermarket bumper, it comes in many pieces, making my life that little bit harder. But who doesn't like a challenge? So let's crack on it. Alright guys, a lesson learned. Don't rush. I tried to just fit the bumper and make sure that it aligns, and now it's stuck. Here, I'm just replacing the brackets that got damaged in the crash and putting on the new fender we got from wreckers. I wanted to align it as good as I can before I send it off to paint shop, so I wouldn't damage the new paint. And yes, this is me trying to fit in SUV doors in my Audi A4. Alright, actually I'm not sure how far off are we in the video because I keep filming on and off due to impossibility of finding the parts, but at least we got the bumper and we got it painted, so let's assemble it. Alright, here are the painted parts. We got them in the Daytona Pearl Grey color, original color, and this paint job is just so good. this is gonna look so good. Alright, so that's one Audi Q3 bumper assembled. Now, let's put it on. But that in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.